Previously, on Smilecast, we unboxed the Mem Genius bracket system. And they heard us. They sent what was missing. So today, we are re-unboxing the system. Here we go. Of course, the Genius Self-Ligating system. Standard as always, great as always. Their arch wires, or the wires needed. And this. Yes. We mentioned that it only had an opener. Now, it comes with the closer as well. And of course, the wire tucker. Imagine that in such a short period of time, they heard us and drastically improved this already good system. So, we are gonna go try this out, of course, especially this little closer prototype, which I'm very interested to see how it functions and works. We're thankful that they sent us this, and we're very thankful that they actually listened to us. Yay! Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.